YouTube. My name is Messiah.
And my name is Isaiah.
Today we're going to be making brownies.
This one is chocolate and
this one is cookie.
Chocolate cookie. Now, hopefully, get popcorn or something because we don't want you to, what's the word? Starve.
To 350.
Heat your oven to
We heated the oven to 350.
And now
you see everything?
Then
This.
we're gonna put the brownie mix
inside the bowl.
We're gonna.
Which one is the brownie mix, Mom? This. Can you open it?
We're gonna. This is the brownie mix, and if you don't know. This is hard. It's chunky too.
I'm going to put this in the trash, y'all. Give me something else and try, y'all. I'm getting butter.
Yeah, and just shake it around a little. And this is the brownie mix, if you don't know again.
So just put this chocolate syrup pouch in there, but I don't think we need to use this chocolate syrup.
No, yes. We're going to use everything.
I'm gonna put the chocolate syrup in.
We're going to take turns. You put a little, I'll put a little. Okay, my turn. We're taking turns putting the chocolate syrup in there.
Make sure you pour it all in there.
Okay.
Pour the butter in there.
Vegetable oil or enough, we're gonna use butter. But if you don't got butter, see how it tastes.
Now we put the butter in.
Put that in the trash.
Now
You need to put in the vegetable oil.
In the cup?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I can do that.
No, I gotta do that. No, you're doing it.
3 gallons?
You need 1/3. Just pour it all. It's gonna be less than 1/3. Keep pouring.
Just pour it all. Yeah.
Exactly 1/3.
Who poured?
Okay. Now, this is vegetable oil that you don't know. This already looks
Everybody, if you made brownies before, click like and subscribe.
No.
Now, you need to pick the egg. You need to pick the egg now?
Mm-hmm.
Now you need to pick the egg. Like I was saying.
2 eggs.
Okay.
I can crack it.
Oh! Boy, like I said, you don't know how to crack it.
I can get it in here.
See, that's what I said, let me do it. But you never listen to me. Okay. He do not know how to crack an egg. You supposed to crack it lightly and just open it.
I cracked it too hard because I never cracked the egg before because no one let me. So
he's too young.
now you need to stir it.
No, you need 5 tablespoons of water.
Okay, I got it, Mom.
I got it.
Okay. Can I stir it, Mom? I'm stirring.
Whoever do that, I already have this.
Oh, Mom did that?
I guess I already have this.
What's all you get? A smaller bowl.
Now, we're actually working. That means, I guess you're supposed to get a smaller bowl. I guess you're supposed to make
We're making progress, people. And I guess you gotta make get a smaller bowl. So
That's literally what I literally said. You keep just cock blocking me.
but make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you comment.
Now, under the video, it will be the subscribe button and the like button.
And hit the notification, hit the bell.
And if you hit the subscribe button, you can get notified every single day when we
Can you
post a
stop playing
video.
with our
Every single time when we post a video.
And make sure y'all get our merch.
Can you start?
It's not gonna be coming out soon.
And now we stir it.
Let Isaiah start
No.
it. You do the cookies.
Ew.
Okay, so here's the cookie mix.
And if you like this video, tell us.
And the comment down
Below.
Yeah, comment down below and tell us how this video went.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, yeah.
You need 2 tablespoons of water and your butter.
Okay, you gotta cut it.
It's supposed to be
Look
salty
at this.
butter, but
See?
how much butter? Stop. What are you doing?
Chocolate.
Stop.
Open it.
Stop.
I'm not cutting it. Isaiah cutting it. Everybody, he's cutting it. My brother. When me and my brother get 2 Xboxes, we're gonna make YouTube videos of us playing together.
Yeah, gaming videos.
Yeah. And you can join and you can hit that subscribe button, that like, notifications, and the bell.
It's literally the same thing or something. You should do it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. And just saying, we made this before.
Yeah, we did, but we didn't do it as a video.
Yeah.
That's crazy, right?
No.
We were supposed to do it as a video, but... And next time we're making slime for a video. So make sure you like to that too. You already subscribe and do whatever you want.
And please hit the like button. Because we're doing YouTube.
And we're trying to see how many views we can get. And we need to see how many subscribers we get. If y'all subscribe and like, if y'all get 1,000 likes, we're gonna host another video about cooking muffins.
We love y'all, but at the same time, we really need money. That's why we started YouTube for all.
Yeah, we never did a YouTube video because
Why is there bubbles in there? Well, and maybe right now it don't look good, but wait, it gonna look like that right there. But even better, cause we good cookers. And this thing, you know how she said she's making us. She is wanting us cooking her Master Chef pan.
That we just bought?
Yeah, we just bought it at Ross. That means if you find it, you can get this at Ross.
And I'm going to show you my merch at the end of the video.
We don't have merch. Oh wait, he got clothes. Just say clothes. We don't have merch. But one day we'll work. You're nervous.
Mom.
He's nervous, y'all.
Huh?
Why are you doing it?
No. Can I lift this?
Dropping it back in the pan? So gross.
No, I'm not.
What do I do with this? I put this in.
Wait a minute.
Now this is good.
I need napkin. I need napkin.
And make sure you get cookie brownies and chocolate brownies. Those are the best ones. Well, maybe not, but it's still good.
And we probably don't. And here's our brother Elijah. Come in, Elijah. Come in here.
He don't want to come in.
Show them your face. Yes. So he don't want to come in the video, so y'all not
He's
to get
scared. He's scared.
You have to do it in little balls.
I gotta pour it out. Or I gotta use the spoon. I gotta use the spoon.
You have to push it out with your finger.
That nasty finger.
Stop licking your finger, man. You're not supposed to lock those together. It's okay.
Cut it out the mud, yeah. Ran it up, yeah.
You what? Don't put it so close.
Oh yeah.
You sure seen?
Yeah.
Right here. Hold on.
Can I do one? Can I do some? I didn't get a turn.
You did the Brownies.
You said you did the Brownies.
Oh man.
Even when it's not made, it's good. Everybody.
Oh, and tomorrow it's our cousin's birthday. That means spam happy birthdays and comment down. In the
And if you
comment down below button.
And if you want to see it, we will record it. So.
Who they spam happy birthday to?
Audrey. For her birthday.
You gonna film it?
Huh? We're gonna film it? Okay.
So which one of them do the spam happy birthday, Audrey?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
And now we're putting it in the oven.
And I'm
For 30 minutes.
Yeah, for 30 minutes.
Oh, I just knew this about chilies. We'll be back once it's done. Okay?
Bye.
Bye. Hey everyone, we are back with the video.
Hey everyone, we are back with the brownies. And the brownies are done, as you can see. And they're hot and good.
And we're going to taste them to see if it's good. And we're going to...
And it's not that hard. It's done and hot.
And everyone, we're going to rate it
1 out of 10.
And
Now, just watch.
get in your seats and get some popcorn and watch and enjoy this video. I'm getting a plate, everyone.
We don't need a plate. But you don't. You can easily get it. For you. I don't need one. It's good. It's good.
There was no plate, so I had to get a bowl, everyone. So we taste it, now we're gonna rate it.
What do you rate it?
I give it a 10.
I give it a 10 out of 1. I mean a 10 out of 10.
I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 too.
And if you have brownies at home, make it.
Bye.